Today I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can pack your rain jackets. So first I'm going to show you a really cool hack, and then we'll have a look at the super space saving way to fold your rain jackets afterwards. Now, one thing to note about rain jackets before we start folding it up here is that you definitely want to dry your rain jackets up before you pack them down. I can show you some hacks afterwards, but just keep that in mind, otherwise your other clothes might be wet as well. So the first thing you want to do here is start by laying the rain jacket down with the front side facing up and zipper up any zippers there are. From here, what we're going to do is that we're going to take the arms and we're going to fold them over to the opposite side like this. Repeat on the other side, completely overlapping the first. From here, I'm going to split the jacket into 3 or 4 parts from side to side. I like to do 3 parts for rain jackets like this, and 1/3 on the other side as well, completely overlapping the first side. Now from here, we're going to start rolling it up from the bottom all the way up to the top. You don't need to roll it super tight when you're doing this. Actually, that's probably good for the rain jacket also, so it doesn't tear or get any holes. When you make it all the way up to the top here with the opening, what we're going to do is that we're going to stuff this roll inside itself like this, and we go ahead and we tighten the strap at the back like this, and there you go, beautifully folded rain jackets that you can put in your packing cubes or your bags. If you don't have straps on the back, you can do the same process. Just start by folding with the back side facing up instead of the front side and pull down on the strings on that side. This is a great way to fold rain jackets and the one that I would recommend, but there is another way that we can do it that is a little bit more space saving as well. Now, the most space saving way to fold rain jackets is going to be the Ranger roll. So for this fold, we want to start with a rain jacket with the front side facing up again, zip it up all the way. Now the bottom here, we're going to flip it inside out. Rain jackets are pretty thin, especially these shell ones, so we don't need that much space. I'm thinking probably 5-6 inches should be plenty. This is a size large. You want to make sure that both the front and the back side are lined up evenly, like that. And then from here, what we're going to do is that we're going to take the arms. Again, we fold them over to the opposite side like this. Repeat on the other side as well. Now, in the previous fold, we did 1/3, so let's do 1/4 this time. So from one side, we fold in 1/4 the width of the jacket, like that. And we repeat on the other side as well. Now I'm going to turn this jacket around so I have the hood facing me. Now for the hood itself, you want to lay it down flatly and start rolling it up. Now the tighter you roll here, the more space you're going to save. For rain jackets, I don't like to roll it super tightly so that I don't damage it. You know, if it punctures, well, then you're going to get wet, right? So once you make it all the way down to the bottom here, you can lift up the rain jacket, and we're going to flip this section here inside out over the rest of the rain jacket, turn it around, and we repeat on the other side here as well. So as you can see, this one is a little bit smaller. It's also great if you want to have a packing system where you fold all your garments this same way. Here you have one of my packing cubes, and I like to fold like my pants, my shirts, my hoodies actually, in the same size. So this is 1/4. You can see it fits perfectly in here with all other garments in packing cubes. This goes for the same if you have it in a bag or in a suitcase, in a backpack. I will say though, if your rain jacket is wet, wipe it down before you pack it. If it's an emergency, plastic bag over the rain jacket works as well. Otherwise, you can check out this video I did in the past on how to dry clothes super fast. If you want to see some other cool ways that you can fold your clothes for travel, super space saving like these ones, I've made a cheat sheet with my top 5 packing hacks. You can head over to my website or tap this box that pops up right here now. And yeah, you can download that for free in like a cheat sheet format. Anyway, thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.